Students, today we are going to learn rectification of error with the preparation of suspense account. Look at the problem. The bookkeeper of a firm found that the trial balance was out by 922 excess credit. The bookkeeper, he found the difference in the trial balance. It was excess credit by 922 rupees. He placed the amount in the suspense account and subsequently the following errors were located. Okay. The bookkeeper, he prepared trial balance, he found the difference 922 rupees, that was excess credit. Okay. The first error, the total of discount column of credit side. So discount column of the credit side of the cash book rupees 78 was not posted in the ledger. So discount column on the credit side, discount received was not posted. That means we have to post it. It is error of posting. So the discount received not yet posted. So the rectified entry is suspense account debtor to discount received. The value of transaction 78. Answer for question number 1. Then 2. Rectified entry I am going to record. Second one. The total of purchase book was short. The total of purchase book was short by 1000. The purchase account normal balance is debit. Short. If there is a short, we can write it on the same side. So what is the rectified entry? Purchase account debtor to suspense account. Value of the transaction rupees 1000. Then answer for third question, rectified entry. A credit sale of goods to Nadarajan rupees 375 was entered in the sales book as 735. So what is the correct entry? Correct entry is credit sale to Nadarajan. So correct entry is Nadarajan account debtor to sales. Nadarajan account debtor to sales. The value 375. This is the correct entry. Wrong entry. They recorded Nadarajan account debtor to sales instead of 375. They recorded 735 rupees. They have to record Nadarajan to sales as 375. They recorded as 735. So, debit side also overcast, credit side also overcast. Now the rectified entry we have to reverse. What is the entry? Sales account debtor to Nadarajan, both side overcast. Nadarajan, value the difference 360 rupees. 360 rupees. Then answer for question number 4, rectified entry. A credit sale of goods to Raja rupees 700 was entered in the purchase book. Actually it was credit sale recorded in the purchase book. So the correct entry is Raja account debtor to sales. Correct entry is Raja account debtor to sales. The value of transaction is 700. Wrong entry is purchase account debtor to Raja. 700. Debit side Raja supposed to come. Here purchase recorded. Credit side sales supposed to come. Raja recorded. So both side they committed mistake. What I supposed to do? If both side they committed mistake, first we should reverse the transaction. So Raja account debtor to purchase. This is for cancellation. Then compare with the correct entry. What is missing? Debit side Raja is missing. Sorry, credit side sales is missing. So to sales. Debit side Raja recorded correctly, but credit side sales is missing. We have to record that one. So now the rectified entry is for cancellation 700 purchase credited. For correct posting 700 recorded. So total 1400. narration is being error rectified. Now I am going to prepare suspense account. That is very, very important. When we prepare suspense account, we should be very careful about the opening balance. Suspense account is a ledger account. It has two sides, debit side, credit side. First read the heading, we will get the opening balance. The bookkeeper of a firm found that the trial balance was out by 922 excess credit. If they say excess credit, we have to post it on the debit side. We have to post it on the debit side, 922 rupees. Excess credit, we should debit. Sometime, if they say short credit, means we have to post it on the credit side. If they say excess, we should post it on the opposite side. Then, look at the rectified entry. Here, suspense account debited, we should post discount received on the debit side. Value 78. Here, suspense account was credited. Purchase account should be posted in the credit side. Value 1000. Here no suspense account. In this entry no suspense account. Now the total is 1000 in both sides. Students, successfully we completed rectification of errors. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.